Good morning, student. Today I am going to clear your chapter number 4 as quick revision. Because I have explained all the topic of this question related to this chapter. Now today I will give you most important point which will fruitful to you for exam purpose. So let us see. First, service sector. Student, it include commercial firms engage in banking, communication, transport, insurance, warehousing, etc. Type of service sector are business service, social service, and personal service. So, next point is when it will ask classification of service, then it will first business service, second social services, and third personal services. Now, features of services. There are many features of services. First, it is an intangible. Second is lack of homogeneity. Third is no requirement of inventory. Fourth is non-transferable. Flexibility. Fifth is customers' participations. etc. So, I repeat once again, feature of all the service will be first intangible, service will be lack of homogeneity, third no requirement of inventory, it cannot be stock, kept as a stock, and it can also not transfer from his owner, and it is must to participation of customers. Next point is banking service. Now, banking means bank is an institution which accept deposit with the intention of lending. When question will ask in exam what is banking, then you can say that bank is an institution which accept deposit with the intention of lending money. Now, next point is types of deposits. First is saving deposit. Second is current deposit. Third is recurring deposit. We can say that this is the type of account. Fourth is fixed deposit. And fifth is multi-option account. Multiple option account. So these are the type of account. Now, service of commercial bank. Services provided by commercial bank. Services provided by commercial bank is these are following. First, bank draft. Second is banker's check. Third is overdraft. Fourth is cash credit. Fifth is short and medium terms loan. etc. So these services are provided by bank, or we can say commercial bank. Now let us see electronic function of bank perform. Now student, electronic function of bank is first is NEFT, NEFT. It means National Electronic Fund Transfer. Second is RTGS. It means real-time gross settlement. There are difference between NEFT and RTGS. The minimum transaction of value is 2 lakh of RTGS, whereas there is no minimum value for NEFT. I repeat once again. Full form of NEFT is National Electronic Fund Transfer. National Electronic Fund Transfer. And full form of RTGS means real time gross settlement. And difference between NEFT and RTGS. The minimum transaction value of RTGS is 2 lakh, but in case of NEFT transfer, there is no minimum value. Now, next electronic function, it means third electronic function of bank is ATM, automated teller machine. Automated teller machine. Fourth is debit card. It is also called plastic money. Fifth is credit card. Sixth is e-cash. E-cash include we can transfer the money from my computer, mobile, or Bhim app, Paytm, mobile banking, etc. include e-cash. Now, one more thing is bank also provide many other function except these electronic function. So I will explain it in next video. Now next topic is insurance of this chapter. I am teaching you chapter number 4, business services. Name of chapter is business services, and there are many type of services. One of the services is insurance also. Just I have explained banking services. So first you have to know that what is insurance. Insurance is a contract between insurer and insured, in which insurer agrees to make good the loss of insured on happening of an event in consideration of regular payment called premium. Now, next point is importance of insurance. Insurance provides the following services to the insured person. First is protection. Second point is distribution of risk. Third point is competitiveness. Fourth point is specialization. Fifth point is better utilization of capital. Sixth point is promotes foreign trade. Seventh point is credit facility. Eighth point is capital formation. And last point is social welfare. So these are the importance of insurance. Now next thing is principles of insurance. First principle is principle of utmost good faith. Second is principle of insurable interest. Third is principle of indemnity. Fourth point is principle of contribution. Fifth point is principle of subrogation. Sixth point is principle of causa proxima. And seventh and last point is principle of mitigation of loss. So these are 7 principles of insurance. Now one more thing is difference between insurance and assurance. Student, in case of insurance, the sum assured is paid only where insured suffers a particular loss. In case of assurance, the insurer is bound to pay the compensation either at the death of the person or on expiry of policy, whichever comes earlier. So we can say that assurance is implemented in case of life insurance policy, and insurance is implemented in all the type of policy except life insurance policy. Now last point is of this chapter. Last point of this chapter is type of insurance. Types of insurance. There are 4 types of insurance. First is life insurance. Second is fire insurance. Third is marine insurance. And fourth is health insurance, etc. So these points are included in this chapter. Postal and telecom service are also included, but according to current session, according to CBSE rule, postal service are not included in our syllabus now. So we will not need to explain this topic due to COVID-19. This topic has been eliminated by CBSE from the syllabus. Now I am going to show you some short answer type question. Suppose question 1 is, which institute is called debtor as well as creditors? Then answer will be bank, because bank always deposit our money and lend me also. So this is called debtor and creditor both. Now next question may be, which insurance principle of indemnity is not applicable? To which insurance principle of indemnity is not applicable? Answer will be life insurance. Suppose question will ask full form of ATM, then you can say that automated teller machine. Full form of NEFT. Then answer will be National Electronic Fund Transfer. Full form of RTGS. Then answer will be real time gross settlement. Question may be asked, what is hull insurance? Then answer will be hull insurance is an insurance policy for indemnifying the insured for losses caused by damage to this ship, because this is related to ship. So when any loss caused by damage to the ship. Now next question may be, give two functions of e-banking. Function of e-banking, then you can say that ATM, NEFT, ETCR, the function of e-banking. Question may be asked, what is overdraft? Then we can say that when current account holder withdrew money from bank or we can say that excess money from bank in comparison to our deposit is known as overdraft. And question may be twisted, who can get an overdraft from bank? Then your answer will be a holder of current account, that is businessman. Now there are many questions related to this chapter. Question may be asked, name the central bank of our country and which is the largest commercial bank of our country. Then answer will be central bank of our country is the Reserve Bank of India, that is RBI, Reserve Bank of India. And the largest commercial bank is the State Bank of India. Central Bank, our Central Bank of India is RBI, and largest commercial bank is State Bank of India. So these are some questions related to this chapter. Now I will meet you with new chapter. This will be chapter number 5 of business study. Thank you.